Jonga ke mfundi, kulena video we are going to calculate the normal force. What is a normal force? Is a force that a surface exerts on an object in contact with it and acts perpendicular to the surface. So uyabona lutho uncamathele kule surface, which means there is a normal force ke ngokulutho. Le surface will exert a force kule 2 kg block, okay? So i-surface ipusha i-object uba mayinyuke, so la force siyibiza uba yi-normal force, iyipushe uba mayinyuke, that is a normal force. Okay, so sibe nayo i-force ekhona kuzo zonke i-object which is a weight. Alright, then xa ucalculate ngoyi-normal force, okokuqala you have to draw a force diagram or a free body diagram. So i-free body diagram yethu phaa, we can have the weight, then sibe ne-normal force, sibe nala force iyakwela cala phaa, which is force applied. Then i-bullet imele u-2 kg, ime endaweni ye-object. So then xa sibala ke ngoku i-normal force funeka sijonge ezaa forces vertical. Umzekelo zezi forces ezi-vertical, ngu-normal force no-weight. Then ayikho lapha because this one is just horizontal. Lena i-horizontal, lena i-vertical, lena i-vertical. Sizojonga ezi zi-vertical sitsho sibala i-normal force, which means in this case i-normal force izolingana ne-weight. Ii-forces ezinyukayo zilingana nee-forces ezehlayo, sitsho sibale i-normal force. I-weight siyayazi uba xa siyibala sithi mg, then imese ngu-2 phaa times 9,8. So sitsho sifumane phaa 19,6 newtons, which means i-normal force yethu phaa ngu-19,6 newtons xa i-force applied ime ngolaa hlobo, okay? Then let's change ke ngoku the force applied. What will happen if we change the force applied? Siyitshintshe kuba horizontal, isilande at an angle, but sengu-10 newtons, but it is at an angle of 30 degrees. So xa sele ngoku ikulaa angle ngu-30 degrees, which means thina funeke siqale sidile nee-component. Izoba ne-vertical component ne-horizontal component. So sitsho sizibhale ezi component, naziya ii-components zayo. Xa isilantile zoba ii-components, a vertical component, that is Fy, and a horizontal component, that is Fx. Which means ke ngoku xa sesizoba apha i-free body diagram yethu, we have a normal force, we have the upward component, that is Fy. Then we have horizontal component, that is Fx. Then we have the weight there. Then this one, now that's the quick components, asazuphinde siyizobe, okay? Nxaba imelwe zii-components, asizuyizoba ke ngoku. Sitsho ke ngoku sikwazi ke ngoku ujonga phaa. Remember we said, xa sibala i-normal force, we need the vertical forces kuphela. So these are our vertical forces. Zingaphi ezaa vertical forces? Zi-3. Sino-normal force, sino-Fy, sino-weight. But we know that Fy, xa sinoke senze i-triangle apho, Fy analingana no-F sin theta, then u-Fx yena analingana no-F cos theta. Sizoyenza ividiyo yokwenza ezi formulas ngelinye ixesha. So u-Fy sesinaye nakuya u-Fy wethu, which means singakwazi ubala u-Fy wethu phaa sithi Fy is equal to 10 sin theta. The angle there is 30. If u-F lower ngubani? Ngu-10. So sicofe ke ngocalculator phaa, sitsho sifumane u-5 newtons. So sesinayo u-Fy nakuya. Makesiye ke ngoyi-normal force. Bendithe ke ii-force ezinyukayo zilingana nee-force ezehlayo. So once isilande kanje qala zizobe ii-components. Then zingaphi ke ngoku ii-force ezinyukayo? Ziyi-2, 1, 2. So i-normal force plus Fy is equal to the weight. Kubani i-normal force lesiyifunayo? Kubani u-Fy? Ngu-5. Okay? Which is equal to weight ngu-mg. Weight is equal to mg. I-mass ngu-2. Ug ngu-9,8. So sothatha lo 5 ke ngusimzise nga sicofe kwi-calculate. Then the normal force will be equal to u-2 times 9,8 ngu-19,6 minus 5. Ebekade lo 5 e-positive, xa uwela uzotshintsha i-sign. Then we get the normal force, which is equal to 14,60 newtons. Sibe siyifumene i-normal force. Remember, we said i-normal force, ii-forces ezinyukayo zilingana nee-forces ezehlayo. Draw your free body diagram, check the components, then utsho ukwazi ubala phaa. Okay? Now, let's change the force applied again. Let's change the force applied. So i-force applied ngoku siyayitshintsha kodwa isengula 10. Sizoyitshintsha ke ngoku ibe yi-downwards force. Let's say le force applied nansi yangoku ipushwa kanje downwards at 30 degrees. Isengula 10 newtons. So xa siyipusha downwards, ithethe ukuthi ke ngoku apha we have force applied in this direction, nansi i-force applied in that direction. So ii-components zizothini? Sizoba no-x component oya kweli cala, x component kweli cala, that is fx. Then u-Fy yena uzokwehla, that is the vertical, that is Fy. Or you can draw it here, or you can draw a free body diagram. Now, if we draw a free body diagram there, we have a normal force, as you can see. We have a weight. Then another force ezantsi, that is force applied. Then nansi a weight. Then this one will have the components. We will have a component eyangapha, a horizontal component, that is Fx. We will have any component eyehlayo, that is Fy. Sitsho sikwazi ubala normal force. Remember I said normal force is equal to ii-forces ezinyukayo zilingana nezehlayo. So nazi ke ngoku ii-forces zethu ezi-vertical, which means normal force iyenyuka, ezi zoyi-2 ziyehla, meaning that normal force will be equal to the weight plus Fy. Normal force siyayifuna, i-weight besisibalile yangu-19,6. Then u-Fy besimbalile wangu-5. Then we get the normal force. We press the calculator. So I think we'll get 24,6 newtons. Then sibesiyigqibile. So remember, you draw a free body diagram. If ukho i-force esilandileyo, i-upward forces zilingana nee-forces ezehlayo, which means qala uzobe ii-components zalo force. Xa uyibomba i-force izoba nee-components, zizoba zona. Now, let's say it's no incline. Let's say the object moves on an incline. That is 2 kg. Moves on an incline, 2 kg. What will happen if the object moves on an incline? Remember, we're going to draw a normal force. Normal force is a force exerted by surface. Nansi surface ipushela kwecala i-object. So normal force yethu is in this direction. That is normal force. Then let's say there is a force applied, maybe 10 newtons. Then we have a weight here. So incline sinazo ii-components ze-weight. So sine-component phaa ye-weight esiyibiza ngoba yi-weight parallel to the surface. Weight parallel. Sibe ne-component that is perpendicular to the surface. Ibizwa ngoba yi-weight perpendicular. So in this case, nazi ke ngoku ii-forces ezihamba no-normal force. So i-normal force izolingana no-weight perpendicular, yena ulingana no-mg cos theta, meaning that normal force ku-incline ilingana no-mg cos theta. Then usubstitute ngo-29.8 nge-angle. If the angle was 30 here, you will use a 30, then you get the normal force. So ilula kanjalo, you draw the free body diagram, check if zikhona i-components, uzifake, then utsho ke ujonge i-force ezinqwamane ne-normal force, then utsho ubale i-normal force yakho.